The Gen-I HotSpot Pipe Locator from General Pipe Cleaners makes locating easier than ever. Whether you're an experienced pro or a first-time user, you'll be able to quickly locate inspection cameras, sondes, active power lines, and buried utility lines with pinpoint accuracy. This video provides a general overview of the operating instructions and safety procedures for using General's Gen-I HotSpot Pipe Locator. Disregarding any of the safety procedures while using the hotspot can result in serious personal injury or damage to the equipment. This video does not include a complete list of all of the recommended safety procedures and does not provide specific instructions for every application. Disregarding any of the safety procedures while using the hotspot can result in serious personal injury or damage to the equipment. Remember these safety rules as you operate the hotspot. Be wary of buried power lines, utilities, and other hazards. Before you dig, contact OneCall and any utility companies that do not subscribe to OneCall. Have all underground pipes and cables located and marked before digging in the area. Read the operator's manual before using the equipment. Contact General Pipe Cleaners if you have any questions about operation, maintenance, or equipment use. After you spot a trouble area in the pipe, now is the time to locate it. It is much easier to locate a camera when it's closer, within a 10 to 20 foot radius. So start the location process by pulling the camera all the way back. The transmitter, located near the camera, is already activated and transmitting at 512 Hz. Push the camera into the line only 10 to 20 feet from the drain opening. Make sure your camera system is powered up before starting your location. Press and hold the on-off button on the hotspot pipe locator to turn the unit on. Check the battery strength on the display. Replace the batteries if needed. Press the mode button until the camera sonde icon appears. Press the antenna button until the total field icon appears on the display. Set the locator to 512 Hz by pressing the frequency button until 512 Hz appears on the display. Press the up button once to automatically adjust the locator's gain. The locator has 4 volume levels: off, low, medium, and high. Press the volume button to select the desired volume setting. Stand near the drain opening and hold the locator out at a 45-degree angle. Rotate in a circle, listening to the tone from the locator until you receive a strong, steady tone from just one direction. If you get a steady tone in every direction, press and release the down button to automatically reduce the gain. Repeat the process until you receive a strong, steady tone from just one direction. Hold the locator vertically and walk in the direction of the strongest signal. Direction arrows will appear on the display, pointing you in the right direction. Continue moving in the direction indicated by the arrows. If the signal reaches 100% on the display, reduce the gain by pressing the down arrow, then continue. When you're getting close, the arrows may point back, telling you you've gone too far. When all 4 arrows point back toward each other, indicating you're at the null point, you've found the pipe location. The transmitter creates 2 null points that are exactly over the lay of the pipe, located on either side of the transmitter. The transmitter is always located exactly between the 2 null points. Move the hotspot locator between the null points. The line location compass will tell you the lay of the pipe. Arrows around the outside of the circle tell you which way to rotate the locator blade until you are in line with the pipe. Arrows in the circle will tell you which way to go. When you're over the camera, a diamond in the center of the circle will mark the spot. the depth of the camera will automatically appear as well. Once you've located the camera, mark the ground with green paint or a flag. Push the camera ahead another 10 to 20 feet and repeat the location process. Mark the spot of each location. When you are done, you will have successfully and easily traced the length of the pipe all the way to the trouble spot you were seeking. Before you dig, check for active buried power lines. Note, buried power lines with no AC current flowing through them are hard to detect. Turn on a high amp draw appliance to cause current to flow through the line. Switch to power line location by pressing the Mode button until the lightning bolt appears. Then press the Antenna button until the twin peak icon appears on the display. Press the Frequency button to select 60 Hz or 180 Hz. The locator display will show a line in a circle to indicate the direction of the pipe. Move in the direction of the center arrows. When the arrows form a diamond, you're over the target. You can use the HotSpot pipe locator in tandem with the 5-watt transmitter to trace buried utilities. The HotSpot transmitter generates up to 5 watts at 1 kilohertz, 8 kilohertz, or 33 kilohertz, and 1 watt at 65 kilohertz. Before you start the pipe or utility location, be sure the locator is set to match the transmitter. Switch to line location by pressing the Mode button until the line location icon appears. Then press the Antenna button until the twin peak icon appears on the display. Press the Frequency button until the frequency displayed matches the one on the transmitter. Walk in a 25-foot circle around the transmitter. The locator will display a line in a circle to indicate the direction of the pipe. Move in the direction of the center arrows. When the arrows form a diamond, you're over the target. Auto depth will appear when the target is correctly located. Continue to trace the line and observe depth every few feet. Mark the line with appropriate color paint or flags. Watch the GenEye HotSpot transmitter instructional video for more information on how to use the transmitter to locate pipes and utilities. Be sure to consult your manual for complete operating instructions and general care of your locator. Contact the Drain Brains at General Pipe Cleaners if you have any questions about operation, maintenance, or equipment use. General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.